In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a page in Notion. It's straightforward, so don't worry if you're new to Notion or just need a quick refresher. Let's dive right in and get that pesky page out of your workspace. First, you'll want to open up Notion and, once you're logged in, focus your attention on the left sidebar. This sidebar is your navigation hub, housing all of your pages and workspaces. Here, you can easily see a list of your pages, and it's crucial for managing your content efficiently. As you hover over the sidebar, you'll notice the page titles appear. Now, take a moment and locate the specific page you want to delete. Hovering over the page title should highlight it slightly to indicate it's selected. This is a visually helpful cue that ensures you're focusing on the correct page before proceeding. Next, when you've identified the target page, look towards the right of this title. You'll see a small icon with 3 dots. This is the all-important More Options menu, and it's here that plenty of functions are tucked away, including deletion. Give that 3-dot icon a click. This action will bring up a context menu. Now, within this menu, keep an eye out for the option labeled Move to Trash. It's this option that will enable you to effectively delete the selected page from your active workspace. Select Move to Trash, and just like that, the page gets transferred out of your main view. Once a page is moved to the trash, it's important to note that it isn't completely wiped out yet. The page will reside in the trash for a certain period, giving you the safety net to recover it if you change your mind later. This is a great feature if you accidentally delete something or need to refer back to it in the future. When you want a page permanently gone, you'll eventually need to empty your trash. Be cautious here, as this step is irreversible, permanently removing all the contents you discarded earlier. So make sure that any page you're thinking of deleting is truly no longer needed. And that's all there is to it. Deleting pages in Notion is simple, providing a straightforward way to keep your workspace tidy and your mind at ease. By leveraging these organized steps, you'll maintain a clutter-free digital environment, allowing you to focus only on the pages that truly matter to you. If you found this guide helpful, please remember to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I hope this makes managing your Notion workspace a breeze.